It is minus 20 degrees outside. The wind feels like broken glass on your face. Most people are suffering, dreaming of a fireplace. But not him. That one guy is walking in a t-shirt, sipping an iced coffee. While you feel like your extremities are dying, he feels absolutely comfortable. Is he pretending? No. He is a biological mutant with a secret furnace inside. Today, we will expose the 3 biological anomalies that make some people immune to cold. Let us start with the fuel. You might think fat is just insulation like a blanket. That is white fat. It is a storage unit. It sits there, hoarding calories, waiting for a famine that never comes. But the secret weapon of the human heater is brown adipose tissue, or BAT. Under a microscope, it is packed with iron-rich mitochondria. These are the power plants of your cells. Usually, mitochondria create energy for movement. But in brown fat, a protein called thermogenin hacks the system. It creates a proton leak. Instead of energy, the cell generates 100% pure heat. Babies rely on this furnace because they cannot shiver. As we age, most of us lose this tissue. However, cold-tolerant adults retain active deposits along the spine and neck. They literally burn calories to stay warm without moving a single muscle. Factor number 2 is hardwired into your hardware. The ACTN3 gene. This gene produces a protein for fast-twitch muscle fibers, crucial for explosive speed. But about 1.5 billion people have a mutation called XX that completely breaks this gene. While they might be slower sprinters, their muscles become metabolically efficient at retaining heat. Studies in Lithuania proved that people with this deficiency maintain core temperature better than elite athletes. Evolution decided that surviving the winter was more important than running fast for some of us. Now let us talk about the wiring. Your vascular system is the plumbing of your body. When cold hits, the brain normally screams, "Constrict." It shuts off blood flow to the skin. This keeps your organs alive, but makes your fingers feel like blocks of ice. However, adapted people possess the hunting response. Their vessels oscillate. They cycle between open and closed, sending pulses of warm blood to the skin to prevent frostbite. It is also a mental game. Repeated exposure creates habituation. The shock wears off. Your body stops dumping adrenaline, and the sensation of pain transforms into just a signal. Finally, we cannot ignore geometry. Physics dictates that spheres stay warmer than cylinders. It is the surface area to volume ratio. More surface means more heat loss. This is Bergman's rule. Arctic animals are compact and round. Desert animals are long and thin. If you are tall and lanky, you are essentially a giant radiator designed to dissipate heat. You physically have more skin per pound of body weight exposed to the freezing air. So genetics and geometry play a huge role. But you are not helpless. You can upgrade your system. Cold exposure releases a hormone called irisin. This hormone turns lazy white fat into beige fat, which can also generate heat. Start by lowering your room temperature or taking cool showers. You might never become a polar bear, but you can definitely stop suffering every winter. If this video warmed up your brain, hit the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel for more survival science. Stay toasty, my friends.